Good morning, it's very early, we're packing our bag, it's Monday, we've got to work at Skills today. I'm a little bit late, so I need to bike very fast, and we're gonna film the sunset with some horses, so gonna be a fun shoot, I guess. Gonna take you with me on this week. I'm now home. It's way too late. It's already 8:30 and was a fun shooting day. Just took way too long in my opinion. But yeah, I'm going to the gym now. Hope to edit and hope to keep this up because I'm very busy right now. Let's go.
2 days later.
It's now 9:30 and I'm still at Skills. It's Wednesday. I wanted to finish my vlog today. Vlog. I can't pronounce that word, even though that's what I make. I need to learn how to set boundaries because that's really important here. Now going home, going to chill for a bit. Tomorrow I can't finish this vlog because tomorrow I'm going to help make some pictures for Berit. And then the day afterwards I'm going to make pictures for Rose. Or not? Yes, I am. And then I have time on Saturday again. So hopefully this vlog will be online on Saturday and I will be editing this vlog later this week. But we'll see. I have to set boundaries. That's just the conclusion. See you. So, I worked another day at Skills. I'm now going to Berit, going to make some photos for her massage studio. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Gonna take you with me, and yes, this vlog is probably very chaotic, but that's just because my week is very chaotic and my vlog reflects my week, I guess that's how we say it. So I'm really late delivering the vlog before this because it's now Thursday actually. Tomorrow it's Friday, hoping to finish the video on Friday, which is way too late for my own standards, but it's my first full week at Skills, or actually kind of the second, and I have to cope with this and had to get used to this, but I have to keep this up, and I will keep this up, because this is my dream, and nothing will come in between my dreams and myself. Alright? Alright. On Friday, I was shooting with Rose and Berit. Rose is very creative, so she was the creative director. Berit is a really good model, thanks to her background in gymnastics. She is still very flexible, so she can achieve some crazy poses. I was the photographer for this shoot. I hope we can work with some cool brands in the future.
The following day.
So we're here at Ladybird skate park. The whole skate park is for ourselves, nobody here. Pretty sick. Gotta make some sick shots. Let's go. Lekker man. Yeah, this is kind of a mess right now of this footage. I guess this vlog is actually 2 weeks inside of 1 week. It's just a little bit chaotic, but it's alright. I also noticed that some of my footage is really bad in my room. The lighting in my room is it's like really bad, but I got this light now, so that helps. So the lighting is a lot better. I can just move it around, plug it into this, I don't know how it's called. You can just plug it in and then that's fixed. So better lighting. Learning a lot of stuff through this vlogging, but it's kind of a mess right now, and I will fix that. Don't worry, the vlogs will keep improving and the quality will go up. Yes, thank you for watching, and I want to see you in the next vlog. Tomorrow I'm going to work at Skills again, and yeah, starting off a new week of filming. I'm excited. See you.